There's 4 themes when we look at meeting learning needs. And the first theme is, how are you as a class teacher? Are the tasks that you're asking the young people to do, are they appropriate? Are they, as Margaret said earlier, are they personalised? Or is it a one-size-fits-all experience that they've got? Same with the activities. Are they always listening, or do they get a chance to be active in their learning? Do they get a chance to learn in different ways? And you'll all know that the more and varied your learning, the more opportunities there are for you to learn through talking, through listening, through doing. We are looking very much now within Curriculum for Excellence, and now, when Curriculum for Excellence is still quite new, at what opportunities are there for young people to be active and take responsibility and learn in different ways, which is beneficial to a range of additional support needs, including learners with dyslexia. We're also looking at how good are you at identifying young people's learning needs, and Margaret took you through the staged intervention process. We'll ask questions like, how do you know? You know, when someone comes into your class, how do you know what their needs are? What kind of information are you given? Are you just given information, or are you given strategies? And if you're just given information, is it useful to you? Or is it just something that's there to read? Do you know what it is and how do you use it? That's the focus, even when you're looking at a class lesson. And I'm maybe in a chemistry class for half an hour. I would take an opportunity to say to the teacher, you know, who in this class has got additional needs? And what's your role in meeting their needs? And maybe who do you work with? Who helps you in the school? And who do you communicate with beyond the school in terms of meeting the needs of a young person? So we do look at, and I think again it's been alluded to by earlier speakers, we're not saying that now teachers have to assess dyslexia, know everything about everything, and expect that they're going to be experts. We are expecting that they're going to be able to know what to do and where to find help and have increased awareness. But that means that they're part of an interdependent network, if you know what I mean. So they'll have someone in their school, as Margaret said, I think she talked about the amber, there'll be someone in their school that they can talk to and they can say, I'm concerned, I'm noticing this behaviour, or I'm noticing this reading difficulty, I can't work it out, can you help me? But what we're hoping is happening in good practice, and it is happening in good practice, that people aren't waiting to be told what to do. They're actually taking action, as Margaret said earlier, on their own, and they know the network of people that are around them and the network of support that's around them, not just in school, but also through electronic support as well in terms of the Assessing Dyslexia Toolkit. But we are asking the question, how do you know? What are you doing about it? Who do you work with in school? So that's around the roles of teachers and specialist staff. And these specialist staff might not be teachers. They might be occupational therapists. They might be educational psychologists. A range of people in terms of meeting the needs of the population of that school or that centre.